Hey gang, it's Chelsea, your friendly REL AI talking head. Let's talk operating costs per mile. Sounds fancy, right? It's not. It's just math, and the key to knowing whether your trucks are making money or just burning it. First up, fixed costs. These are the costs that don't change no matter how far you drive. Think truck payments, insurance, permits, and plates. Whether you roll a mile or 1,000, you're still on the hook. Let's say your fixed costs are 6 grand a month and you drive 12,000 miles. That's 50 cents per mile, before you even pump a gallon of diesel. Now, variable costs. These change with every mile. Fuel, tires, maintenance, tolls. That's where things get wild, especially with diesel prices doing the cha-cha. Put it together and boom, you've got your total operating cost per mile. If you're running at $1.65 a mile but your rate is only $1.60, yeah, you're bleeding cash. This number isn't just accounting, it's survival. Know your number, own your number, protect your number. That's how fleets stay alive. And if you need help figuring it out, that's what I'm here for. Let's keep you rolling and profitable. And remember to email us at sales@teamrel.com with your questions.